وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق. The beautiful journey of love begins whilst the Hujjaj prepare themselves fully, physically and spiritually. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك. The journey of love now begins when they finally reach their destination in Makkatul Mukarramah. There are three types of Hajj: Hajj Tamattu, Hajj Ifrad and Hajj Qiran. The first step is preparing for the Hajj whilst wearing ihram. Men wear two unstitched white sheets of clothes and the women wear their ordinary clothes. The journey of Hajj begins in Makkatul Mukarramah, where the pilgrim makes tawaf of the Kaaba 7 times. They then move on towards the Maqam Ibrahim to perform 2 rak'ats of Salah. The pilgrim will then move on to perform Sa'i 7 times. The pilgrim will then move to Mina. They will devote their time for prayers and in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Mina. The next day, the pilgrims make a 14.4-kilometer journey to Arafat. The day of Arafat is considered the most important day of not only the Hajj, but rather it is considered the most important day in the Islamic calendar. After sunset, the pilgrim will then depart to Muzdalifah whilst reciting Talbiyah and Takbir. In Muzdalifah, they pray the Maghrib Salah and the Isha Salah at the time of Isha Salah, which is called Jama' Baina Salatain. They then move on to collect pebbles for the 10th, 11th, 12th and the 13th Dhul Hijjah. The third day, the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, is the day of Eid. The pilgrims then begin the day in Muzdalifah and head back to Mina before dawn. Once in Mina, they perform their first Rami. During Rami on day 1, each person throws 7 pebbles at the largest pillar in Jamarat. Once complete, the pilgrims then perform their sacrifice duties. They then trim or shave their hairs, remove their ihram and cleanse themselves. Once all these acts are done, they then return to Makkatul Mukarramah to perform tawaf and to perform sa'i. The Hajjis then make their way back to Mina. The pilgrims spend 3 days in Mina. On each day, they perform Rami, throwing 7 pebbles at each of the 3 pillars. They begin with the smallest pillar and proceed to the largest one. They then return to Makkatul Mukarramah to perform the farewell tawaf, also known as the Tawaf al-Wida, which marks the completion of the Hajj. The journey of Hajj ends, yet the journey of love continues. After the completion of Hajj, the Hujjaj track in the direction of love and present themselves in the court of the beloved Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One should make sure that one makes the best use of their time in Madinatul Munawwarah.